Okay, let's work with the net income formula. Okay, then we're gonna decompose the net income to further understand some important elements such as unleveraged net income and tax benefit. Okay, now let's start from the basics. Okay, how you compute net income. Okay, then you have, if you remember the notation of the variables, if you have sales, right? Sales here, sales, and if you subtract cost of goods sales, okay, right, and we would say that this is gross margin. Okay, this gross margin. Then if you subtract sales and general administrative expenses, then you get basically what is called EBIT, earnings before interest and taxes. Okay, now what happened, how you compute taxes, basically you have this one is like you have a bit, then you gotta subtract now interest expenses. Okay, these are expenses that the company incurs due to financing, right, from banks, for example. Then here we have earnings before taxes. Okay, then this is the base that you have to use to compute the taxes. Okay, then what you have to do to compute the taxes, just subtract the taxes, right, and then you get basically what is called net income. Okay, now how you subtract this one, you can say that net income is equal to earnings before taxes minus taxes, right? Another way to express this is that you have earnings before taxes, and this one you multiply by 1 minus the tax rate. Okay, the TR, I'm gonna call it for tax rate. Okay, for example, if you have, let's put numbers here. Okay, very simple. If you have 1,000 pesos in sales after one is, imagine that this is in thousands, right? Just to be more to inspire you more, because then it's like 1 million pesos, right? Then 1 million pesos of sales in, imagine, in 1 month. Okay, you have a small business and you are doing very well. After 2 or 3 years, then you sold in 1 month 1 million pesos, and you are producing very innovative products, and you have cost of goods sold regarding to raw material and labor cost and so on. Then imagine you have here cost of goods sold of 600,000. Then you have 400,000, right? Now you subtract sales and general administrative expenses. Assume that you are very efficient and you only have 100,000 in fixed cost. These are variable cost. Remember, variable cost, and these are fixed cost. Okay. Now you have here your EBIT is going to be 300,000 pesos, right? Then imagine you have a loan, and you have a long-term debt, right? And then you paid in that specific month, you paid 30 pesos, right? 30,000, sorry, in interest expenses. Okay, then you end up having 270,000 pesos of earnings before taxes, right? Then imagine in Mexico, the income tax, right? Usually this is the income tax, right? It's called income tax, right? Then in Mexico the income tax is 30%, right? Then what is the 30% of 270, right? You multiply by this one, right? 3 times 7, 21. 2 times 3 is 6, plus the other 2 is 8. Okay, then basically it's 81. Okay, then you subtract here minus 81. Okay, then you end up having 9 here, then it's 8 and 1. Okay, 189,000 pesos as your as your net income. Okay, I'm gonna go here. Sorry about it. Then this is going to be equal to your net income. Okay, I want to put it in blue. Okay, then this one is then this one is going to be the net income. Okay, now this is the same as saying, okay, earnings before interest and taxes 1 minus 0.3, then this is going to be the same, is multiplying the 300, now the 270 times 0.7, right? 7 times 7 is going to be 49. We have 4. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 4, 189. Okay, and we end up with the same value. Okay, then we have this very simple formula, right? And I will continue analyzing this this decomposition of net income in the next video.